In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a chart in TradingView mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open the chart that you want to share, and then you want to go to the bottom right of your chart, and you can see there's the three dots, so it's this button over here. You want to tap on those three dots to open the Analysis Hub, and in here you can see Layout Setup, and then it's going to say Manage, and next to it, it's going to be the name of your chart. Now, mine, of course, I've renamed it. It's going to say Instant How To, but for you, it's going to say Unknown, or of course, Untitled, or something like that. So, of course, if you give it a name, there's going to be your name over there of your chart. You want to tap on this, so manage and the name of it, and when you do so, you can see sharing is over here. Now you want to toggle this sharing button over here, and then it says share link. You simply want to tap on share link, and there we go. That's going to give you the option to basically copy this link. Okay, now of course you can copy it and then share it with whoever you want, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.